Hello, everyone. This is Jillian Verdun from JMV Financial Services, bringing tips and tricks to improve your financial situation for the new year. Thank you again for joining and tuning in to listen to us today. We're going to talk about 9 ways to make money. If you've been thinking of how to make some extra cash while living your best life in this new year, then you're in the right place. Ready? Let's dive in. We've brought you 9 amazing ways to smash your money goals and earn some extra cash without having to sell your stuff or earn another degree. Of course, they are all legit ways. Number 1, freelancing. More and more people are opting to earn their living as freelancers. Do you have a skill that you think could be of value to a client? Then perhaps you're on your way to earning from it. The beautiful thing here is that there are a million ways to earn from freelancing. You could either freelance with a skill you already have, or you could opt to learn a new skill and start earning from it. Popular freelancing jobs include social media manager, customer care representatives, copywriting, video editing, graphic designing, amongst many others. It is often preferred because of its flexibility, giving freelancers a choice to work from wherever, to choose when they work, and which jobs they do. With freelancers making as much as $26,000 to about $147,000 per year and up, freelancing easily doubles as the perfect side hustle. Number 2, dropshipping. There is another current wave with way more perks than downsides. With dropshipping, all you have to do is have goods delivered to your customers directly from the supplier or manufacturer. There are little to no losses involved because you do not have to buy the goods first and store them, hoping to get a customer. You don't spend any money until you've made a sale. You also don't need any storage space for goods because you're having goods delivered from the supplier directly to the consumer. Dropshipping is a top pick because it also offers freedom of when and where to work, with dropshippers ranking as much as $80,000 to $100,000 per year and up. If you love to sell, then you should consider dropshipping. Number 3, content creation. Content is king right now. Businesses everywhere are on the lookout for professionals to help communicate and sell their message effectively. For all the content out there, there is a creator behind the scenes. If you're a creative person, then this is a huge market for you. Currently, content creation is in high demand because it is the number one thing that drives sales. Content is not limited to writing. Anything can serve as content. As a content creator, you'll be responsible for creating content for websites or social media. This could be through pictures, videos, write-ups, voiceovers, music, art, amongst many others. If you do it right, you can land very lucrative offers. On average, content creators earn around $45,320 to $140,000 annually. Number 4, financial trading. This covers a wide scope of things, including crypto, forex, stocks, shares, bonds, and other similar asset classes under the category. Daily, as more and more asset classes emerge, the market is proving to be highly viable, with its own degree of risk, pros, and cons, of course. As a financial trader, you'll be involved in buying and selling financial instruments or assets. Trading is a very liquid market that offers huge cash returns. However, before you commit your funds, you want to make sure you understand the market, its rules, and that you've done your due diligence in learning the ropes. Let's establish this. Trading can be risky, and making a profit is not always guaranteed. Nonetheless, you can make some serious gains if you play by the rules. Number 5, tech jobs. If you are tech savvy, then it's best to divulge into tech. Tech is huge right now. In fact, it's one place the bag is at. Depending on what you can do, there's a wide range of options to pick from in the tech sphere. The good point about going into tech is it's in high demand, so there is no shortage of jobs, and it pays really well. From developer to product manager or even designer, your options here are endless. Tech jobs on average pay around $75,000 per year and up. Number 6, create online courses. This is a good pick for anyone looking to earn easy money without learning something new. If you have a good handle in any area, then you can teach it for a fee. What are you knowledgeable about? Bookkeeping, knitting, cooking, gardening, gadget repair, anything at all. Create a course for it, put it online, and watch it make money for you. You'd be surprised that people would pay you to teach them how to boil an egg, joking, but you get the drift. Your course could include resources like videos, worksheets, exercises, quizzes, and assignments. It's a fantastic way to make passive income. And if you choose to use it as a full time gig, that works fine too. All you have to do is to ensure you're creating courses that are in high demand and are engaging. If you're consistent in tailoring your courses to cater specifically to your learners and enhance your training experience, you'd eventually have a following of learners who would prefer your courses for various reasons. So, as far as your course is good enough and engaging, people would keep buying and you'd keep earning. Number 7, run deliveries. Since COVID started, there have been few in contact purchases and more delivery purchases, leading to a massive rise in the delivery business. Delivery is something you can run in your free time or en route to wherever if you spend a good amount of time in your car. You could also do it full time, delivering packages, groceries, even food, amongst others. There are many delivery platforms you could sign up on to start earning. Good examples are DoorDash, Ship, Uber Eats, Postmates, just to name a few. In a year, you could make up to 40,500 running deliveries alone. Number 8, monetize your ride. If you have a car, you can always earn extra cash with it. And no, you do not have to be the one driving. Instead of letting your vehicle sit doing nothing for those long office hours, you could register it on ride sharing platforms like Uber or Lyft. So while you're at work, your car is being used to transport people around and make money for you. Besides ride sharing, you could make money from renting your car, Turo, and Get Around are examples of car rental platforms. Another way to make money with your car is by being a safe driver. Some insurance companies would pay you money for driving safely and being accident free over a period of time. You could even make money from using your car for advertisement. Rapify is a good example of a platform that allows you to connect with advertisers. What are you waiting for? Let your car fetch some cash for you, one way or another. And number 9, Airbnb. Got a space you're not using? How about renting it out for a fee? If your space is decent enough, running short term rentals on rooms or the entire house when you're away for extended periods is a pretty decent way to earn passive income. Listing your living space on Airbnb is a good way to advertise and find short term tenants. And if you rent continuously, you might make enough to not need a job. However, your home must be up to standard and well kept and situated where you say it is to be considered as appropriate for listing. You also have to be able to upload nice pictures of your place with concise keywords that'll make it easily discoverable on the Airbnb app. The freedom that comes with short term rentals and the fact that it pays a pretty decent sum, with hosts making up to $924 per month, makes it very attractive way to make money in this coming year. There are various ways to make money out there, and this list is only the tip of the iceberg. The decision to use any of these options as a full-time job or part-time job falls solely on you, as you'd get to decide which is more convenient. However, managing the money you make from doing any of these jobs doesn't have to fall solely on you, as there are ways to seek reliable assistance with managing your finances so you make the best of whatever income you are earning. Again, we'd like to thank you for joining and listening to us today, and please follow us on your favorite podcast. Bye.